how you do a wild hog European mount. Take the skulls, put them in this bucket. And get some bleach. Pour some bleach in there. And a little bit of degreaser soap. And fill it up the rest of the way with some water. We'll turn the hose on. Fill it up until it's covering the skulls. And just let it soak in there for 24 hours. Good right there. "24 hours later and the skulls are looking nice and white. Got a little bit of green up there. I'll flip them over. Let them sit in the bath a little bit longer. Those are looking good. That's how you clean wild hog skulls. Just let them soak in this bleach bath for a few more hours, maybe another day. It'll be perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.